So next experiment is the rating of the performance the pegboard assembly. So he will assemble all the pegs into the given holes, and for that he will take 42 centimeters. And that speed he is going to exhibit now. You are supposed to observe the speed and register the speed in your mind. Then the later trials you are supposed to rate with compared to the standard one. So now the standard speed he is going to demonstrate. So for that he is going to take the 42 centimeters. Yeah. You note down the speed in your mind. Later, any number of trials you are supposed to rate with that standard only. Yeah, exactly 42 centimeters he has taken. And unfortunately, this standard is not universally accepted, but somehow they have arrived at a particular value by doing so many trials and taking the average and all those things. So that is a different story. Okay. So now, after registering the speed in your mind, that is the standard pace. Now we are going to rate the other activities. Now he is going to change the speed. Deliberately he is going to change the speed. So for that you are supposed to rate with respect to the standard. Okay, that 42 centimeters is took now, that is equivalent to 100. So now, if the speed is less than that speed, you are supposed to rate him as less than 100. If the speed is faster than that, you are going to rate him as above 100. Okay, so now we are going to demonstrate two trials. Yeah, start. You can rate him.
86. 86.
Yeah, he's rating this activity as 86. And the time taken, you can note down the time taken is 46 centimeters. So similarly, the next trial we will finish and then we will do the calculation part. Yeah, start. Yeah, he has rated this activity as 110. And the time taken you can note down is 35 centimeters. So now we will do the calculations and we will see the error. What is the percentage error? So the actual rating is 91 and the error is 86 and the difference of 80 or 5. Error is 5, percentage error is
5.4.
Yeah, the percentage error is 5.1. The formula we have given it in the manual. We have supplied it to the manual. It's the formula and note down the readings. And similarly, the similar activities to fill the tabular column, similar activities you can carry out at home with your family and you can note down the readings and try to rate as accurately as possible. Okay, this is the calculation for this experiment. So the percentage error for the 5.4. So is always the percentage error should be within the 5%. Okay.